Welcome to National Agents Alliance. We like to call it the Alliance. My name is Andy Albright. I'm the CEO, and I will be hosting you today as we tour this facility where thousands of people from all over the country join to unite to build something special, legacy for their family. Have fun, make money, make a difference. Right here, our grand entrance. This is one of our finance guys. This is our travel department. This is a hub right here. This is where people come in and start to get excited. Let's go to the marketing department. So this is our marketing department. Right outside of my office, we'll go there next. We have meetings in the conference table here. We do all kinds of internal videos, movies, posters, recognitions, trophies, promotions. These people make it happen. My CFO's connected here, my marketing director, my social media director, all this great stuff to market one of the greatest opportunities on earth, the Alliance. My office is right through here. Come on. We should stop for a moment here and do a little NC State thing. I don't know where you went to school. I hope you're proud of it. I got a lot of inspiration and engineering education from NC State, watching national championships and fun sports events. And now I've given back. That's part of the legacy. It's the Albright Entrepreneurial Garage. It's the Albright Sports Medicine Center at the football field. And now it's the Andy Albright scoreboard at the football field, and more to come. I love giving the money away. I love making it, giving away, helping other people make a difference. All right, and get fired up when I go by this, coming into my office. Come on. So my office, where behind the scenes important meetings go on at this conference table and smart board. We got education material, we got the refreshments, we got a fun place to sit, we got a place to hang out with a couch, you can chill. We can bring in about 30 or 40 people meeting in here if we want to. I've got the command center right here with all the computers and technology and access nationwide. I love it. Let's go to the Beaver's Den. That's where the smart people work. Come on. Come on into the Beaver's Den. We keep it dark in here because the computers are hot, baby. These guys are typing and figuring incentives, trips, contests, promotions. They calculate everything here. A little bit like Beautiful Mind when you start looking at all this stuff on the wall, how they're thinking and strategizing. Smart people make a big difference behind the scenes, baby, making stuff happen. They're very important to us out there killing it, building a legacy. Let's go upstairs to where we house the President's Club, the marketing recruiters, and the lead department. You're gonna like this. This is the leads department, the president's department, and the marketing recruiters. You can check them all out. They're working, they're on the phones, they're strategizing to travel all around the country. The lead department, all these people are working, trying to make it easier, make it more fluid for everybody nationwide to build their organization. And we have fun up here, as you can tell. We're going to go down the Walk of Fame where champions walk right now. Let's go. Come see the world with us. This is where it starts, this walk right here. I saw this on a Stanley Cup championship and we recreated it for you. This walk right here. This is a lot of memorabilia from different events we've had in Las Vegas and Cabo San Lucas. It's just the get your ship together. We've had so many good times, and then we want to try to remember them all. So we got these mementos all around the office. This is Inspiration Hall, where we have the Albright Intense Training, very select, very VIP. We also have all kinds of crazy small concerts, movie presentations, fundraisers, a crazy facility right here. Holds over 1,000 people. We feed people with. It's got the crow's nest right here. It controls all the technology and the lights and the fun stuff. Now, let's go to Prosperity Hall. A little bit crazier, a little bit bigger. Let's go. Welcome to Prosperity Hall. This is where it gets crazy. This is an expansion of the Alliance Dream. We call it Alliance Convention Center, the ACC. Not only are we here all the time and have thousands of people across the country, we also do concerts. We do all kinds of fundraisers. All kinds of people get to enjoy this facility from the community, and they all know the Alliance, baby. So we got crazy lighting, crazy sound, crazy atmosphere, the crow's nest, the lights sparkling, the video. Oh, here we go. Everything just gets crazy in here, especially when you get a couple thousand ambitious people that want to go out and build something big, baby. Let's go up on the stage a little bit. Imagine 3,000 people going crazy, lights blasting, your song playing, and you're addressing 3,000 people on the stage. That would be crazy. Let's do it. Let's see you here. Hey, let's go backstage to the green room. Let me show you. Behind the scenes, photography, headshot with you for your trophies. Come on into the green room where we have signatures from various artists from around the world that have been in here and entertained us. This is a crazy place. Let me show you where we prepare the food. And then we go to our annex for eternity. This is crazy talk. Come on. The heartbeat, the hub where the food is made. This is very important, right in the center of the building. Come out here to the Eternity Annex where we have our basketball gym, exercise facility. So everybody gets to exercise for free. It's part of the job, it's part of your business, staying fit. We've got a trainer here that offers opportunities 2 or 3 times a week that you can come work out. Full-size regulation basketball court that don't hurt your knees because it's built right. This is a fun place to hang out for all our employees. And when we put the covers down, the floors down, what a great place to serve people food and they don't even know it's a gym. It's crazy here. This is the Alliance store. Come around and let me show you our merch. Of course, we're going to be repping the N24/7 RU. Of course, we're going to have all the books from the speakers that we've brought in from all around the world. We've got their books, we've got my books, anything that helps give you an edge to know more than the other teams know. All the name brand stuff that you need to be wearing loud and proud. The Alliance, baby. Come on, let's check out our live studio audience. This is the technology behind the scenes. Let me show you where we do the show from. We broadcast live from right here. We got a green screen behind there. All this comes down. We can put you anywhere in the world if you're on a green screen. We present to a live audience. We broadcast nationwide every Wednesday and every Friday. It's for educational, informational, and togetherness we grow. All right, let's make this happen. This is our live studio, and this is where we broadcast from. Let's go to the coffee corner. This is our coffee corner. Seems to be one of the most popular places in the entire company. Everybody comes here in the mornings for coffee, and we have a convention. We have 3,000 people here. Everybody's coming out here jammed up like crazy. They love our coffee. Let me show you a couple of the perks for the staff that work here. We call it the Alliance Spa. Here's why. This is our sauna that people get to enjoy. Manicures, haircuts, pedicures, we do it all. Need a massage? Tuesdays and Thursdays. Feeling a little bright? You want to get a little tan on? Here we go. Set up for you. All right, so we got to wrap it up, but I want to remind you or show you these places that we've been: Aruba, Cancun, Ireland, and there's many, many more. We like our memories. We like all the places we've been and all the places we're going. So we're wrapping it up. So I'm going to show you to the parking lot because you don't have to leave mad, but you got to get up out of here.